To set up an email automation, click on Automations in the Messaging and Workflows window. Email automation is a marketing technique that allows emails to be scheduled and sent according to date, characteristics of the subscribers, or the action that the subscriber takes. For example, where the subscriber adds their details on a website form, or if the subscriber abandons their cart during an online purchase. Email automation is the ability to send time or action-triggered emails to the subscribers automatically. In the All Automations window, click on the Create Automation button to start a new automation. In the Select Your Automation Flow window, select a blank automation to build an automation from scratch. Or select Abandoned Cart Automation to create an automation for abandoned carts in your e-commerce store. In this example, we will select a blank automation. In the Add an Automation window, type in a name for the automation. Then click Submit. An automation flow will then be displayed. Think of an automation flow as a spider web. At the top of the flow is the initial action that the subscriber will take to enter the email automation flow. The web that leads off of the initial action will flow by a number of triggers, which you will set up for the subscriber. Once the subscriber follows a certain trigger, they will then be led to the next part of the automation. To begin the automation flow, click on the Click to Edit Your Automation Triggers button. In the Automation Triggers window, you will be able to set the trigger for the automation to start. Click on the Add New Trigger button. In the Choose Trigger window, you will be able to select which action the subscriber takes to enter them into the automation flow. Some of the options are when a subscriber is added to a list or when they are removed from a list. When a subscriber opens an email or clicks on a link inside of an email. Or when a subscriber makes a purchase on your website or abandons their cart before payment. In this example, we will select when a subscriber is added to a list. Click the Select Your Lists button. In the Select Lists window, select the list of subscribers you wish to add to the automation flow. Then click Confirm. The chosen subscriber list will then be added as the initial trigger and will be shown on the automation flow. Now that the initial trigger is set for the automation flow, click on the plus icon under the trigger to add an automation step. An automation step is the next action that will be taken once the subscriber has entered the automation flow. In the Add Automation Step window, some of the options that can be added to the flow are to delay the automation by a specific time, to send an email to the subscriber, to add or remove a subscriber from a list, or to unsubscribe the contact from a list. In this example, we will be adding a time delay and then adding an email to be sent to the subscriber once they enter the automation flow. Click on Delay. In the Step Settings window, select the time to delay the email. We will set the delay to 1 hour. The delay automation step will now be displayed in the automation flow. Click the plus icon under the delay to add a new automation step. In the Add Automation Step window, click on Send Email. In the Send Email window, type in the subject of your email. Enter the sender name and verified email address. And type in the email address the subscriber will reply to. Then click Start building the email. Click on an email template to build and edit the email. Once you have created the email to add to the automation flow, then click Save. The email will then be added to the automation flow. An email automation flow can be customized to suit the requirements of the email marketing for your specific website or e-commerce store.